That's the wrong one. So XRP right now is at 299, just fell below 3. There's a lot of XRP treasuries forming. Vivo Power is one that's committing 121 million to buy XRP up. Nature's Miracle is also launching another $20 million program. At least 10 more companies are starting to come in with a total allocation of over almost $1 billion. Now, owning shares in these companies are risky. I would always encourage you to own XRP directly. But the technicals do show that XRP is holding at the 280 support. It's right now it's at 3, trying to break under 3, but it's holding at that 3. 310 is the key breakout level. That if you're a momentum trader, that could trigger a momentum. It could trigger XRP's momentum towards 320 and on to $4. Now, the biggest news I said is Japanese finance minister did endorse crypto as part of the country's uh, and personal diversified investments. He urged citizens to consider XRP as they move forward in retirement and also planning, family planning or whatever investment or any type of investment planning. He's encouraging the citizens and also the organizations to do so. This alone is starting to boost confidence in XRP adoption over in Japan, especially now. People don't realize this, but Japan is years ahead of the United States. They've already started to integrate XRP in the banking system in Japan. Now we have Japan's finance minister endorsing crypto as part of what they consider sound, diversified investments for the people of Japan. So these are all great news. XRP, like most of crypto, is more than likely being manipulated. That's the reason why it's not moving. This news has to reflect in the charts one day. Now, it may not be today, but one day you can. The thing about manipulation is that you can only hold something down temporarily. One day it breaks free regardless, right? It's like trying to hold a puppy. A puppy keeps moving. Eventually you tire out, the puppy escapes. Or a spring you're compressing. The spring still has loaded energy. It's going to explode one day. Same thing with assets. You can manipulate, you can suppress, you can lie, you can use FUD, but one day all of that momentum, all of that pressure explodes upwards and the stock or asset or crypto returns to the value it's supposed to be at anyway. So I believe that's happening with XRP and overall all of crypto, to be honest. I think it's happening with everything. And you can see the companies, countries, organizations are buying it up huge amounts, but yet the price is not. That doesn't make sense. Something's going on, and one day we'll know. Now, the CNC family has passed 2,000 members. I think we're at 2,100. We're breaking records in my group, the CNC community and academy. This is the biggest influx of members we've ever had. Inside members are getting stock plays, crypto signals, direct answers from me and the analyst. You got access to me and the team. We go live all the time in there. We do live trade and we do live events. We got 2 big events coming to Dallas and New York City that CNC members can attend at no additional charge. If you're interested in joining the CNC, $127 a month. Existing members can also contact us about the events once we announce them. Now, if you're willing, if you're waiting, you've heard about the CNC, and you're waiting on the sidelines, other people are already in there winning, locking in their seats at the events. They're winning. They're making money. Now, don't get left out. DM me the word CNC or hit join the CNC or go to jointhecnc.com right now and get included in the group. I'll put it in the chat here. So let's move on. So I want to talk about 2 things. Palantir. Palantir has been on one of the people. I get a lot of questions about Palantir. It has dropped over in the last few days or weeks. It's down a little bit, but we got in at $6. Is at $158. One of the hottest stocks. One of the biggest plays I've ever called out. But a lot of people are concerned because Sam Altman and others have said that AI is likely in a bubble. We got SoundHound, Big Bear out there. Which AI stock really has the longest term upside is one of the biggest questions I get. Palantir, I think, has extraordinary upside. SoundHound, I think, does too. I think BB.AI, they all. My target on SoundHound is 15, always has been. BBAI target has been around $10, $12. We're about halfway there. Palantir dropped almost 10% last week. It's been the longest winning streak since I called it out. It's still up 109% this year, but a lot of people are starting to have concerns of continuing to see Palantir's fall. Now, even though there's 48% revenue growth, $1 billion in quarterly sales with Palantir, they're big wins. They just got another $88 million healthcare contract. The concerns about AI being in a bubble are starting to overwhelm it. Now, like I said before earlier in the episode, I believe that AI is not over. I think it's just concerns that are happening too early. One day it will be a bubble and it will burst.